Today we're diving into the Oppo A5 Pro, a mid-range smartphone that aims to deliver a premium experience at an affordable price point. Now, before we get started, I want to clarify that this is not a sponsored video. Everything you're about to hear is my honest, unfiltered opinion. I'll be walking you through my experience with this device, covering everything from its sleek design and camera capabilities to its day-to-day performance.
So, does the Oppo A5 Pro lives up to the hype?
Let's break it down and find out. But before we get started, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest tech reviews and updates. Alright, let's jump right in and explore the Oppo A5 Pro together. First impressions matter, and the Oppo A5 Pro absolutely delivers with its sleek, modern aesthetic featuring flat-edge design and a camera module that bears a striking resemblance to the iPhone's iconic look. Whether you see it as inspiration or imitation, it adds a touch of sophistication. The rear panel on this model is crafted from vegan leather, which not only looks clean and elegant, but also feels great to the touch, offering durability and excellent resistance to fingerprints for a practical yet premium experience. What truly sets this phone apart is its ruggedness. It comes with an IP69 rating, making it dust-tight and capable of withstanding high-pressure water jets, along with a military-grade shock resistance certification, ensuring it's one of the most durable smartphones in its price range, perfect for clumsy users or those with active lifestyles. In hand, the Oppo A5 Pro feels solid and well-balanced, thanks to its ergonomic flat edges and thoughtful weight distribution, making it comfortable for extended use and inspiring confidence in its build quality. Overall, Oppo has nailed the design and durability, making the A5 Pro a standout in the mid-range segment. Moving on to the display, the Oppo A5 Pro features a 6.67-inch IPS LCD display with a resolution of 720 by 1604 pixels, which admittedly feels a bit low for a device in this price range. However, Oppo has managed to deliver vibrant colors and decent brightness levels, peaking at 1000 nits, making it suitable for most lighting conditions, though it does struggle slightly under direct sunlight. The 120Hz refresh rate is a standout feature, offering smoother scrolling and a more responsive touch experience compared to standard 90Hz displays, which is great for gaming, browsing, or streaming. That said, the display falls short when compared to AMOLED panels, particularly in terms of contrast and deep blacks, which can make darker content feel less immersive. While the display is more than capable for everyday use, an OLED panel at this price point would have significantly elevated the overall experience, leaving room for improvement in an otherwise solid offering. Under the hood, the Oppo A5 Pro is powered by the advanced MediaTek Dimensity 6300 A6nm chipset. Paired with 2 RAM option, there is 8GB and 12GB of RAM variants with different price range, coupled with 256GB of internal storage. This combination ensures smooth performance for most tasks, from multitasking to running demanding applications. Gaming is also a pleasant experience, with the device handling titles at medium to high settings without significant frame drops. However, it's worth noting that prolonged gaming sessions can lead to some thermal throttling, which is common in this price segment. But for the average user, the performance is more than satisfactory. Now let's talk the cameras. The Oppo A5 Pro features a dual camera setup, including a 50-megapixel primary sensor and a 2-megapixel depth camera for portrait. In daylight, the primary sensor captures detailed and well-exposed shots, with accurate colors and good dynamic range. The bokeh lens work together to create stunning portraits with a soft, blurred background, just like a professional camera, with live photo that captures a lively video clip when you press the shutter, ensuring you never miss a moment, and dual-view video recording that let you capture video with the front and rear cameras at the same time. The 8-megapixel front-facing camera, however, delivers excellent selfies with natural skin tones and good sharpness, perfect for video call as well. For video recording, the rear can record 1080p at 60 frames per second. Unfortunately, no OIS, so you might need to use a gimbal for stable shoots. Battery life is one of the strongest aspects of the Oppo A5 Pro. The massive 5800 mAh battery easily lasts a full day of heavy usage, and with moderate use, you can stretch it to 2 days. The device supports 45-watt fast charging, which can take the battery from 0 to 50% in just 35 minutes. On the software front, the phone runs on ColorOS 15, based on Android 15. While the interface is feature-rich and customizable, it does come with some pre-installed bloatware that might not be to everyone's liking. That said, the overall user experience is smooth and intuitive. So, who is the Oppo A5 Pro for? If you're looking for a mid-range smartphone with a solid build, a smooth display, reliable performance, and excellent battery life, the A5 Pro is a strong contender. While it has its limitations, particularly in low-light photography and thermal management, it offers great value for its price. Now, speaking of price, you get this device at 899 dirhams for 8GB of RAM and 1049 dirhams for 12GB of RAM variants, both having 256GB of internal storage. At the end of the day, the Oppo A5 Pro strikes a fine balance between affordability and functionality, making it a worthy option for budget-conscious consumers who don't want to compromise on quality. Alright, that's it for today's review of the Oppo A5 Pro 5G. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting tech reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out!